Hi guys, hello and welcome back to Steam again. So how you are doing? In this video we are going to see about locust. Fine. So this locust is now attacking parts of Rajasthan and Punjab and so many other states of India. And in this video we are going to see how this locust are formed and what are the preventive measures that we can make. Okay, fine. So how this locust are formed? See, this locust are mainly formed because of the sudden change in the climatic conditions. So the suitable climatic conditions for this locust formation is that bad drought followed by a sudden rainfall. Fine. A dry drought followed by a sudden rainfall is the suitable conditions for this locust formation. When this particular climatic change happen in the brains of the normal grasshoppers, there is a secretion of a hormone which is called the serotonin. Fine. So by this secretion of the serotonin in the brains of the grasshoppers, they become they made themselves a morphological change. If you see in this video, the green grasshoppers are then converted into gregarious, which is simply a color change along with wings. Fine. So a black one along with yellowish color. Fine. So like this they will convert themselves into a complete morphological phase with wings. So once this has happened, they will start on eating, and they will start on increasing their population by continuously repopulating, like mating and laying eggs. Fine. So the females of this locust will lay their eggs in the lands. So after laying their eggs in the land, they will fly to another areas. Fine. So these eggs will hatch and they will produce the next cycle of the grasshoppers. Fine. So this is how it's keep on moving. Fine. So at initially there will be small patches of this locust, and when times increases, so many small patches of locust will come together and they will form a larger locust, and they will keep on eating everything that they saw in their eyes. So in their way, whatever they are seeing, they will keep on eating and they will keep on repopulating, and they will lay eggs on the soil. Fine. So in the ancient period there will be so much forest and they will eat upon it, but nowadays we have cleared those forests and we have changed them to cultivable land, and now there is a conflict between humans and grasshoppers. Fine. So most of the things, why this is happening, if you ask, see, during drought periods most of these grasshoppers won't get anything to eat, so much of this species will start dying. Fine. So to repopulate, to recreate this species, their metabolism changes by naturally. So the serotonin secretes from their brain naturally, and they will start doing this mechanism. Fine. So this is the pure simple thing, simple concept by generations. The methods of prevention of this locust is that spraying pesticides along the farm fields, or else the way that which the locusts were coming, by using planes, or else by using fire engines, so on and so forth, or by using fires, or by using some microbes like fungi. So if you take fungi name Metarhizium, okay, Metarhizium, this fungi will infect this locust forming grasshoppers and make them ill and will make them die. Okay, so this fungi keep on increasing and affecting other locust also, the nearby locust. So it will kill a group of locust in a particular period of time. Fine. So these are the preventive measures, sorry, these are the measures that if this locust has entered into the field. Fine. So but prevention is better than cure. Fine. So preventing this is the main criteria, and there are so many organizations all around the world. They will keep on watching whether this locust are forming. If the locust started forming at the initial beginning, they started eliminating this locust. Okay, so this locust will start by, initially it will start as a single small patch. So if you take rid of the single patch, it is more than enough to prevent the bigger locust. Okay, when this becomes uncontrollable, it is going to be a greater disaster. Fine. So prevention is better than cure, and I hope you like this video. So put a thumbs up, and also tell us what you are considering about the locust in the comment section below. And I think you already subscribed to the channel. Also click on the bell icon so that you won't lose any of our videos. So until then, it's signing off Stream. Take care.